guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some pineapple tofu and some ackee seasoned rice. Now guys, anything that include ackee, I'm all in. I love ackee so much. This recipe guys is super easy to make. It's very versatile because as you know, ackee can, the ackee seasoned rice can have as a one-pot meal, right? You can swap up with anything you want. You can have it with beans. If you don't want to have the tofu, you can have it with vegetables. Anything that is give it a right punch for you guys, go right ahead and do it. For this recipe guys, you're going to need pineapples, fresh pineapple juice, we have tofu, we have vegetables, garlic and ginger, onions, and fresh ackee. If you have the one in the can, you can always go ahead and use it as well. I just get some ackee the other day. I tend to freeze them if I don't use them as I get them guys. So my ackee here is frozen. I'm going to cook it off and get everything ready. Guys, if you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Okay guys, now that my water has fully boiled, I am going to add in my ackee, cook it for around 10-15 minutes. And this is a dozen ackee guys. Alright guys, since our ackee has cooked, we're going to saute our veggies that we're going to put in the ackee seasoned rice. So guys, at this time I'm going to go in with my garlic, my scallion, and now my mixed frozen vegetables. Add in also some all-purpose seasoning, some salt. Add in also my black pepper, my coconut milk. You want to allow the coconut milk guys to just cook a little so all those flavors can break down in it, alright? Okay guys, I'm going to also go in with one Scotch bonnet pepper, poking a hole in it to release the flavor and not the spice, alright? So one Scotch bonnet pepper here. We want to allow the coconut milk to just cook and all the seasoning break down before we proceed in anything else. Alright guys, so while the coconut milk is cooking, what we're going to do is to just get the tofu ready. So we want to divide it in two here. And just around an inch thick. Okay guys, everything is ready at this time. Adding in some thyme. And my rice, I'm using the parboil rice. Using 2.5 cups, and I've washed it already. Going in with just a little bit of water here, not even half cup. Now guys, I'm also going to go in with my ackee. Just give that a little mix. And we're going to leave this to steam. We're going to cover the pot and leave that to steam. To our tofu here guys, we're going to add in some all-purpose seasoning. And what we're going to do guys, we're going to braise the tofu. Some white pepper and salt. So you can just shake the bowl to coat all your tofu. And what this does is to help your hand from not crushing the tofu too much, right? Or maybe it's just me rough, I don't know. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is just leave it, let the seasoning soak through our tofu. Okay guys, to our pineapple juice, I'm going to add in some sugar. If you have agave, you can use it. Don't mind those things. Those are just thyme I had from the bowl earlier. To this now, we're going to add in some vinegar, like 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Soy sauce. My soy sauce is finished, unfortunately. But I would say 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Okay guys? And also some ketchup. And to this, some cornstarch. Okay guys, I'm not feeling the color of this look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of browning. So if you don't have the soy sauce like me earlier, you can just use a little toops of the browning. Alright, we're good with that. We're good with that. Alright, let's take a look at our rice, and you can see how beautiful it's coming along. Oh my god. Feel like just carry the whole pot, go on one tree, go eat it by myself, guys. That's how I'm feeling. It looks nice. The rice is still steaming, so we're just going to cover it and just leave it right there. What we're going to do now is to just work with our tofu. A small amount of oil. So you want to grease the pan thoroughly. And start working with our tofu. Now we're going to put it in the pot. Alright guys, so as soon as it starts to brown up underneath there, you just turn them. I've removed the ones before. Now I'm going to add in my second set. And you want to repeat this process for all of them, right? Everything, guys, is progressing so lovely. What we're going to do now is to remove the Scotch bonnet pepper. Don't want this to burst in the pot. And we're going to fluff the rice. Lovely colors we have here of the Ackee seasoned rice. You don't want to play up too much in there because you don't want the Ackee to crush out, right? You want to still can be able to identify everything that is in the pot. So what we're going to do now is to just remove some of my tofu, the ones that are fried. You see how nicely brown they are. And if you have those cooking sprays, guys, what you can do is to just use the cooking spray as opposed to using the oil, the olive oil cooking spray. Anything that makes you comfortable, you can use it, alright? But you want to make sure you don't use a lot because we're not deep frying. We're just braising the tofu, alright? Now, guys, what you can do, you can just wipe down your pot, right? We don't want that burn seasoning in the pot. We're going to add in some oil to saute our vegetables. And of course, we're going with our garlic and ginger first. Such lovely flavor, guys. Oh my god. Alright, here we're going to go in with some onion. Scallion. Or sweet peppers. Good time now, guys, to add in your sauce. So what I want, guys, I want this sauce here to just thick up a little bit. Our sauce here looking so beautiful, and you can see how thick it is. I'm going to go in now with my tofu. So beautiful, so easy to prepare. And whatever seasoning that you fry the tofu in, it's going to come off in the pot as well. Our sauce is tasting so good. And we can't finish, guys, without adding our pineapple chunks. Yes, man. So guys, what you can do is you just give this 5 minutes and then you turn it off. We don't want anything to cook out, nothing to mush out, nothing. We just want it just like this, nicely done and perfect. And guys, this dish couldn't go down without some vegetable on the side. I have here tomato, purple cabbage, and some cucumber. So no particular way, guys, to cut the cabbage. Now, if you want to put salad dressing on this, guys, it's completely up to you. It's okay for me just as is. And this is it, guys, our nice ackee fried rice. Looking so beautiful. And pineapple tofu. Our salad here on the side. And this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.